Township Entrepreneurs Stories is a web series proudly brought to you by T. We profile small businesses nationwide that are providing services and products ekasi.
Hi, my name is Livhuwani Makwarela. I'm the financial accountant from MFB Consultants. MFB Consultants, we're financial accountants, tax specialists, payroll services. Our services are as follows. We do company registrations or amendments. We do monthly bookkeeping, management accounts, letter of good standing, COIDA, financial statements, tax PIN, tax compliance, and then we also do the registration of VAT, the tax objections, tender letters and bank confirmation letters, and then we do CIDB upgrades and renewal. We also do the cash flow projections. MFB Consultant was founded in 2006, and then we also want to help small business to grow, to manage their finances. All of us on social medias, we are on Facebook and Instagram. You can search for MFB Consultants _SA. We're also on Twitter. And then we also have the website www.mfbconsultant.co.za. You can also contact us on 083 998 2015. And you can also email us on info@mfbconsultant.co.za or tabo@mfbconsultant.co.za. Hi, my name is Livhuwani. I am a township entrepreneur.